Hello friends, welcome to Learning Directions. So this is our first session where we are interacting with each other. Before this I have already shared 5 videos regarding special education जिसमें मैंने कुछ learning ideas आप सबके साथ share किए हैं. So motive of making this channel is to spread awareness about special education and share my learning experience with you all. So before starting today's session, first of all I want to introduce myself. So myself Sonia Pant and I'm a special educator. I have been teaching since 2015. So today's topic is all about assessment, how to assess current level of a child. एक बच्चे के current level को आप कैसे assess करते हो? Okay, so step by step we'll go for it. Today we are going to start with math subject. Okay. Assessment. How to know current level of a child. Subject maths. Let's start with maths. So when we say maths, तो अगर being a special educator, when you start with maths, तो आप सबसे पहले number skills बच्चे की check करते हो. There are few criteria and there are few sub points you have to check when you assess a child. So we'll start with number skills. So when we say number skills से हमारे mind में एक ही चीज आती है like numbers. A child should know numbers till 1 to 100 or 1 to 10. The child should have identification, recognition, that etc. But number skills also include skills always start with recognition. Like एक बच्चा नंबर को recognize कर पा रहा है या नहीं कर पा रहा है. After this comes quantification. Quantification means अगर आप suppose आप बच्चे को 3 objects देते हो, so the child is able to count those objects, yes or no. That is called quantification. Then comes subitizing. So what is subitizing? I know these terms are new for you all, but in terms को हमें use करना होता है अपने special educator में. So what is the meaning of subitizing? Suppose if you show a child 3 fingers or 3 objects, the child has to say 3 at one go. It means उसको one by one उसको count नहीं करना है 1 2 3. उसको एक बार में ही देख के बताना है that these are 3 things or 3 objects. Okay, so that is called subitizing. After subitizing normal, we check before and after. Comparison, forward and backward, ascending and descending, number names. So these are the sub goals which comes under number skills. Like number skills में सारे goals आपको एक बच्चे के check करने होते हैं. Suppose अगर parent कहता है हमारे बच्चे को 1 से लेके 10 तक numbers आते हैं, so you have to check all these things in number skills. First of all you have to check recognition कि बच्चे को identification of numbers है या नहीं है. After recognition you go to quantification कि बच्चे को quantification वाला skill है या नहीं है. What is quantification? Again, if you say go and get 2 objects, so the child is able to go and get 2 objects for you, yes or no. So that comes under quantification. One more example, अगर आप किसी बच्चे को बोलते हो show me 2 fingers, तो बच्चा आपको 2 fingers दिखा पाता है, yes or no. That's come under quantification. So after quantification, it is subitizing. Subitizing क्या होता है? As I said earlier, अगर आप कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट बच्चे को दिखाते, सपोज इफ यू शो 3 फिंगर्स और यू शो 2 फिंगर्स, तो बच्चा 1 गो में ही 2 बोलेगा. वो ऐसे काउंट नहीं करेगा 1 2, वो 1 गो में ही बोलेगा 2. सपोज अगर आप इसका एग्जांपल ले सकते हो डाइस, जब हम लूडो प्ले करते हैं, सो वी नेवर काउंट डॉट्स एज 1 2 3 4 5. व्हाई? बिकॉज वी हैव सुबिटाइजिंग स्किल्स. हम डाइस पे ही डॉट्स को देखकर बता देते हैं कि ये 5 डॉट्स है या 4 डॉट्स है. सो दैट इज कम्स अंडर सुबिटाइजिंग. Before after we know before after and between concept. After this comparison, that the number is greater than or less than. Then comes forward and backward counting, ascending and descending order, and then numbers name. So these are the skills you have to check under number skills. Okay, so number skills के बाद और कौन से criteria होते हैं हमारे maths में, we'll discuss in our next session. So stay connected with Learning Direction. Thank you.